So unboxing isn't something I would normally do, but I figured I'd kind of stolen a march on some people by getting the S9 relatively early through contract with Vodafone. I ended up getting the 9S, or the S9, whichever way you want to pronounce it. The slim one, because the big one, it's just the form factor. I do a lot more video and so on now. And the larger kind of phablet style phones don't really fit so well into selfie sticks or tripods or yeah, whatever else other kind of thing you might want to use. So I've been kind of swapping back and forth between Samsung and Sony for a while now. I'm currently recording on my old Sony phone. The previous Samsung that I had was the full, phablet one, and the antenna was a bit rubbish. It wouldn't pick up signal, and living out in the sticks with only one service provider realistically for mobile coverage, that was a bit of a problem. So I'm hoping they've fixed that here, and I'm hoping these ones don't explode. So let's have a look if we can. I'm going to need a pair of scissors. Hopefully not. Let's try tearing through with this. There we go. You really need a better way of wrapping things so they're easier to open without being terrible. They always put so much effort into the boxes, don't they? Save a few bob on design. It's the phone we're interested in. Though I do keep the boxes for things. They're always such a pain in the arse to get out. Bit of a prick tease this opening, isn't it? This is worse than opening ham packages. This is where the corner always comes up and off. Come on. Guess I need to grow my nails. There we go. All that effort for a nice box and then the sticker fucks it up. Alright. Again, you could save some money. It's the phone we want. So we've got a guide, ejector pin, not interested. Okay, ooh, one of those tab things, here it comes. The peely moment. Ooh, lovely. Keep that safe just in case. Slimmer than I was expecting, but you know, it's all good. Oh, something stuck there. Here we go. Peely. Ooh. The best thing for that is a big widescreen TV for peeling the plastic off. It's a nice little black slab. It's Touch the Monolith. Like I say, it's slimmer than I thought. Bit lighter. Camera's supposedly really good on this one, so see if they've sent it with power. It should have some. There we go, powering up. Like I say, I've been using Sony for the past while, and I've really liked the Sonys. The camera's good. The signal has been good, better than the last Samsung phone I had. So I'm hoping this can compete. Oh, nice little pop-out plug. That's going to be more easily transportable, I suppose. USB converter. All very nice. Okay, maybe I take it back about the box. It's got a pleasant kind of bento box feel to it. 3 headphones, which will end up in the trash, no doubt. More cables. Oh, and different size buds for the ear thing. Anything else in here? No, that's everything. Well, I guess I'd better get it properly set up. I don't know why people watch these things, but there you go. Zang.